I was looking for a comfortable Bluetooth headphones to take calls on, so I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I have had a lot of Mpow products on this channel before because they've always impressed me. And I thought I would give this a try too because, you know, we're at home taking a lot of calls and this is a Bluetooth headset, and I thought it would be just really nice to have the full audio experience with a microphone and just be able to take those conference calls without earbuds, without putting someone on speakerphone. It does come with some accessories here. We do have a 3.5mm extension cord right there. We also have a micro USB cable right there, and we also have the instructions right here. And here are the headphones, and you can see here what we have is like a leather top band, a leather-like top band. Nice padding underneath. We have metal hardware on the sides. You can see you can adjust that to any size head. The sides are marked R and L, right and left. So apparently I had this on the wrong way. Although it looks like you can kind of reverse this because, as you can see, the boom moves about 3/4 of the way around. So that's pretty clever. So if you want it on the right side or the left side, it shouldn't really matter. And then you can park it out of the way. You can see we have the microphone on the very end right there, and then on the inside here we have a couple of ear cups, so it'll be on-ear headphones. And then we have on the other side the micro USB port right there, the 3.5mm jack right there if you want to plug them in as wired headphones. And then we have the power button right here, and then it's also mode for hanging up calls. Looks like we have an advance and rewind button right there. So if I just power this sucker on, looks like it's got a little juice. Now I'm going to pair them to my phone, and let's see what the audio quality is like. All right, so I've got the headphones paired to my phone. I'm actually using the phone to film this, and the audio is being picked up through the microphone on the headset right here. So if I just pull them away from my head mouth like this, you should have a drop-off in audio quality, and if I bring them back up here, we should restore that. So this is a good representation of the audio quality that the people on the other end of the line should expect. Maybe you're using this to record video like I am. The nice thing about these ear cups is that they're really comfortable. They're secure on my ears, but they aren't compressing them and making it uncomfortable. So I could definitely be on this for a long webinar or conference call, doing some work, etc. The other thing I really like about this is the audio quality on this is really great because these headphones really isolate you from any of that external noise. So you can hear people on the other end of the call really, really well. Hey, if you want to pick up this Mpow HC5 Bluetooth headset, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.